I'm going to be showing you my summer tips to get healthy and feel your best, from healthy recipes to fit tips, and I'm so excited to work with Jergens Natural Glow on this video to show you how to get a natural looking glow for this summer. So whether you're a green smoothie girl or a green juice girl, I got you covered, girl. How many times can I say girl? Probably not enough. Okay, so for this smoothie, you're just gonna need a huge handful of spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a cup or half a cup of mango, depending on how tropical you want this to be, 1 banana, and then 1 cup of almond milk. Blend it up and you have the most delicious green smoothie that will get you green and glowing for the summer. Just kidding, you're not gonna turn green. It'll get you glowing though. Okay, sorry. Moving on to the juice, I've talked about this a lot, but this is my version of the most delicious green juice ever, which is Gorilla Milk. So you just juice cucumber, celery, and spinach, and then you add it into homemade almond milk, and that's it. You mix the two together, you mix your juice, and then you mix your almond milk, and it creates the most mild and delicious and super refreshing and very hydrating drink. I'm gonna be sipping this all summer long. So my favorite way to get a gorgeous summer glow is by using my Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. I'm on my way now. And I just use a dime size on each arm and a quarter size on each leg. And this just helps me to achieve the most effortless looking glow. And I love that I don't have to rinse off or wait. I can just apply it directly on my wet skin after my shower. And I love that it helps me to easily achieve a beautiful glow in just a week without sunbathing, which is really important to me because I avoid sun damage that way. Plus, it not only helps me maintain my sun-kissed glow in the summer, but it's great to use year round too. And it's super, super moisturizing. And then when I get out of the shower, I just make sure to carefully pat dry so that it locks in my beautiful glow. And as you can see, this is my before and after 1 week's use, and I love the way that this gives me the most perfect summer glow. A lot of the times when we think of treating ourselves, we maybe don't think of treating ourselves to something healthy. So hit up your favorite healthy spot and splurge on something that makes you feel super great and is super healthy. So for me and my husband, that's coconut froyo. Summer is the perfect time of year to get moving and make fitness fun. If you're new to working out, this is really important. I used to think that fitness and being fit and doing workouts had to be miserable, and that couldn't be further from the truth. So get out there and go for a hike and explore. And honestly, it's as simple as that to make healthy living part of your lifestyle. Okay, my next piece of advice is take your favorite dinner recipe and figure out a way to make it healthy. So I don't even know how to pronounce this. I think it's gnocchi. Okay, you know what? I can't pronounce it, and I'm gonna fully admit that. So basically, you start out with a cup of coconut milk, whole fat coconut milk, and then add in some red onion and some garlic, sauteed red onion and garlic that is, to the coconut milk, and then take 1 cup of pre-cooked mashed sweet potato and add half a cup of cassava flour into it. Roll it up, mix it up into a dough, and then you're just gonna roll it out. And I actually figured out a way easier way to roll these out, but I just didn't realize it until afterward, so don't follow my lead there. But anyway, once you have them rolled out and cut up, you just want to place them into some boiling water and then wait till they rise to the top. Once they've risen to the top, drizzle them with some olive oil and saute them for just a few minutes until they're nice and golden. And then I added in some spinach into my little coconut milk sauce, as well as 1 tablespoon of sage, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, and then you just pour your sauce on top, add a little salt and pepper, and whoa, this is amazing. Now this is something that I'm doing this summer, and it's creating your space to work out. You don't have to have a ton of fancy workout equipment. You don't really even have to have any workout equipment. Just roll out a mat, get a mirror, and get moving. Pick out your favorite body weight exercises or your favorite exercises that you can do with the equipment that you have. And this is a great way to just get motivated and inspired and make a space that makes you want to work out, that's inviting, that's exciting, and you're gonna get in there and you're gonna move this summer. This is the most delicious thing I've ever made. Wait. Why?
This is my smoothie poured out for you.
Oh. My legs are turning into ice cubes.
This is my greens cut for you.
Oh my goodness. It's so cold.
This is my juice.
Wow. It's freezing.
To make all things good.
Freezing.
I love it.
This is so healthy, I feel like I'm getting taller.
Tastes like Ninja Turtle snot.
It's taking me to another planet.